guys, and come back with me, Ida, and this is my vlog for today. Wow. I hear this here, going rainy day. Wow, because it's really sunny weather. That's why we really need the rainy for make better again. It's not more hot here. My head still like hurt. Yeah, that's why I make this video so early because I wanna rest. I wanna rest. I wanna go to sleep, guys. I wanna go sleep earlier. That's why I make this video so early and make me go fast for rest today. And whew, I'm sick, guys. Maybe I can go in campus Monday. Tomorrow I'm forcing myself for going to doing activity with my team because middle test. That's why I'm going to long, yeah, to making video, but just not for long time because I'm so really sick here. Oh my gosh, you know, I just prayer and I sit. I'm not stand prayer, but I'm sit for prayer. That's why because my head is really sick here, hurt. Looking, I just wearing mukana. I have a fever. Oh, migraine. My back head is really more hard and makes me not comfortable. I mean, uncomfortable. How about you when you have a head headed headaches, guys? I just take a medicine before making this video. That's why I have little energy and I just finished for it today. Today is Maghrib. And wow, I wanna rush because I don't have any energy. Just eat some rice, but not more. Today I'm more for lying on my bed, not doing activity at all. Because I'm so really not have energy for doing activity more. Yeah, sometimes my body need to rest, uh not sometimes we need rest, not forcing for myself because it's really poor for myself. Just love myself. first. Now, the important thing is you ready for love yourself. This is more important thing. And going activity again if you done for rest more. I'm not more speak maybe because so very hard here. This is so hot. Okay, let's continue for this topic. When you ask me, this is what is this? This is just for prayer, Muslim dress code for prayer. So when we wanna go to prayer, we wear this. I mean, yeah, we wear this. Yes, this is name is mukena. Well, I see my favorite is from Malaysia and Indonesia more. Alright, guys, I'm so really excited for uh, lucky you are guys for support this channel. Even this is small channel because this is channel just for learn English. Yes, don't afraid of you guys if you wanna correct my English. Yeah, I open minded for you. If you wanna correct me if I'm wrong, I don't want to go. I gone if I'm wrong. Yeah, I always want to improve my English. So if you wanna correct me, just correction and I want a sentence you are correction guys here. And before this video close, okay, thank you for your attention to watch my video for this night, and don't forget to rest, yeah, and eat guys. Bye bye, see you later.